Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to continue with the IEB 2019 Paper 2. We're on question 6, and this is some stats. Question 6 is more of a theoretical stats question where it's given us a line of best fit is y equals 57 minus 3x. There is an outlier, 9 and 4, and it states that the correlation coefficient is very strong. So if the outlier was removed, would the correlation coefficient be stronger? And the answer is yes. And this is because your outlier is a data point that weakens correlation. So outliers weaken your coefficient, so therefore removing it will strengthen correlation. Cool. Number B then asks that if the correlation coefficient, asking is it closer to 1 or negative 1? And the answer here is it's closer to negative 1. So closer to negative 1. And this is because the gradient is negative. So the answer is because the gradient of the best fit graph is negative. And we can read that gradient off over here where it's given us that y equals 57 minus 3. So that means our gradient is minus 3. Cool. And then question number C says, if you were to make a prediction using the line of best fit, would it be perfectly accurate? And the answer here is no. And this is because the correlation is not equal to minus 1. Exactly. So if you have to write down correlation is not perfect. So it's not minus 1. And then finally, going on to D, individual makes a prediction that if x is a value 30, y will be a value of minus 33. His friend also points out that he is now extrapolating and that his result won't be accurate. Explain what this means. So extrapolation is when a data point is higher or lower than the maximum or minimum data point you receive. So x, and is said to be extrapolated, means that x is higher or lower than the data used to make or / to find the best fits equation. So basically this means that we're not guaranteed that the value of minus 33 is accurate. So we because of this, we cannot guarantee that the answer will be true, accurate. So that concludes question 6. Before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us your question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. And until then, stay epic